Okay, it's December 5th, and I just dry fitted the rocket, Perry and I. It's 12 feet tall, it's pretty tall, 6-inch diameter. And did some sanding on the fins. The fins go through the body. Sanded the centering rings for the motor tube. And everything's just sitting in there with tape. So that's what she looks like. That's the progress for December 5th. We basically have 10 weeks to finish.